How to hide activities on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app from your phone or iPhone Play Store. Now open the LinkedIn mobile app. Now we are going to know that how to activities on LinkedIn mobile app. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. All these steps will be applied on your Android as well as on iPhone to hide activities on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to move to the profile. Now click on settings here. Now you can see different options. At the third, you can see visibility. Click on visibility here. You can see here who can see more members, who can view your last name, and who can view your profile. In this way you can hide your activities by selecting your hide options. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.